Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris and this is Relaxing Review Tech, where we review cheap and budget tech items and devices, and we also try to do DIY projects, and also we just do small little unboxings and reviews, and we just try to see what we can buy with our budget and see if it's worth buying or not. And so today what I have for you is called the Cynosa Lite keyboard by Razer. I got it on eBay for around, I believe, $45. I watched a couple of videos and a couple reviews about this keyboard already, and so I noticed other people were able to get this type of keyboard at a slightly lower price, like around $40, and I believe with them they were able to actually get this keyboard at their local retail store, probably like at Walmart or Best Buy or something like that. And so if you're lucky, you can probably try to just go out on your own and try to find one at a slightly lower cost, like around $40. But if you just want to just buy it online, you could probably get one of these for like around $45. This is what the box looks like from the outside. It's pretty plain and simple. Definitely looks different from the other boxes that I've seen from the other reviews, but this one, as you can see, is just plain. It's a light brown basic cardboard box, nothing on it, just the name of the keyboard and also the logo just enlarged, and on the back it's nothing much. It's just, regular, jargon, where it's from, where it's manufactured, the place of the company. And so this is what it looks like. Yes, I'm in focus. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We have the keyboard wrapped inside a nice piece of plastic. Nothing much to it, and the way that it looks, it's all black. It looks like it's a little bit like a matte black and not like a glossy black at all. So the cable, just your regular, cable, rubber coating, nothing much to that. And also with the features of the keyboard, it does obviously have a number keypad on the right side, which is what I wanted because I'm used to actually using number keypads because of a past job that I had. That's really nice to have, so I'll definitely take advantage of using that. It looks like it does have a logo at the bottom of the keyboard, and it probably lights up, and it looks like that's really about it. Looks nice, looks new, and so you could definitely take a look at that. Also, we will be taking a quick look at the new mouse that I got. So right here we have the the Razer Deathadder V2 Mini, and I've actually been using it for a while now. Not much of the unboxing, but this is what the box looks like on the back. And there you have it on this side. Yeah, and so on the box it says, it's the #1 seller, 10 million sold. It works with the Razer Chroma RGB, 62 gram, ultra lightweight, ergonomic design, optical mouse switch, and Razer Speed Flex cable. It has an onboard memory profile. It has optical mouse switch, 8500 DPI optical sensor, and it has mouse grip tape included. And that's basically about it. I guess you get a 2-year warranty. This I did buy used, I guess, the pre-owned. I think it was like in good condition or like new condition. I've had no problems with it thus far, but we'll take a look and I could tell you what you can do with it with the Chroma RGB program that you can actually use it with. And so let's take a look and see what these things can do. Alright, and so I just wanted to give you guys just a quick look at the mouse itself, and also my new keyboard or the old keyboard that I'm currently using before I switch it out. And so this is what the Deathadder looks like, the V2 mini version of it. It's quite small, as you can see. You see the side profile of it. You see that the logo lights up. Nothing on the other side. Your standard scroll wheel, your D-pad button switcher thingy, and that's what it looks like. It looks nice. It actually feels pretty nice. They're way better than my other one that I was using, which I actually got from like not Best Buy, but from Big Lots for like $13, and I actually got this, I think, for around $20 to $24, $25, and I actually got this online too on I believe Macari. Definitely wanted to try this thing out. Saw a lot of good reviews, wanted to take a look at this, and so there you go, that's what it looks like. And this keyboard is the Dare U. It's a mechanical keyboard. I got it for like around $20. And as you can see, it has a number keypad. It is backlit, does have the little like breathing, pulsing effect. You have all your different colors. You know, it does all of that. And that's really about it. Alright guys, we are back, and I just set up the new keyboard. As you can see, it doesn't have like the backlighting for the keyboard itself. The lights for the keys themselves are not that bright. Yeah, they're definitely not bright at all. Let's see if me turning off the light will help. And as you can see, nothing much is going on. You can see the logo pretty good, but other than that, I am using a T3i, and so under dark settings it probably won't pick up the best light. Some things that I've noticed, as I tried to turn my light back on, that's one thing I noticed, that's with the keys themselves. So with the keys themselves, they do feel a little bit spongy. I don't know if you can hear that quite clearly, but I have the microphone turned towards me, and so I could definitely feel the difference between my old keyboard and this one. These keys feel a lot more spongy and not as clicky as the other ones. I mean, the build of it itself, it is pretty light. Like the texture of the keyboard itself, it actually feels sort of nice. You probably will get a lot of marks on it, you know, if you have, you know, sort of oily, you know, skin or fingers, things like that. And so it does look nice in person. I definitely like the color of it, and like how they went with more of a, I guess, a matte black than the glossy black like you see with the logo that's lit up right here. And so that's pretty much about it, to be honest with you. It's a basic keyboard. I guess seeing the two together, it does look nice to have, I guess, a matching keyboard and mouse set. And so if you want to go for the more aesthetic look, by all means, try these two out. And so I will show you guys the program that you can, I guess, adjust and synchronize the lighting for both the mouse and the keyboard. And you could do, I guess, a whole bunch of different things regarding the whole software, and so we can take a quick look and see what all that has. And so let's take a look. And as I promised, I want to show you guys a little bit about the software Synapse. And so we can just go ahead and take a quick look at what we can do with Synapse and all of which it can do. And to be honest, I don't know a lot about it, but I know it can do a whole lot, and I just want to show you guys real quick on what you can actually do. I guess this is sort of like the main page, and so you can see all your devices that you have set up, and you can have a couple more devices, I believe, like a headset or like monitors that can be synchronized with this software. If you scroll down, you have your modules, so you can have it with Chroma Connect, Chroma Studio, and you have the visualizer, and also you have the feedback, and also you have all your online services, so you can actually register your Razer product or products. You can see if you're not too sure if you have like the right device to be able to set this up with Synapse. You can check and make sure. You also have the Razer store right here. You have support and gold and silver, and hopefully in the next video I can give you guys a little bit more in-depth information on what all of this stuff you can do. Over here in modules, I guess you can set it up with Alexa, Philips Hue, Macro, Nano Leaf, and so that's pretty cool that you can do all of that stuff. And you can do like global shortcuts, and so you can do that. And as we go over to the keyboard tab, you can see your keyboard, and I guess you can actually go over and highlight with your cursor, and you could probably set like certain things up, probably with regards to like lighting or like shortcuts, and so that's pretty cool. You actually have gaming mode, and so you can set it to off, always on, or just enable it while you're playing in a game. And also over here to your right, you have your keyboard properties, and so you can open up Windows keyboard and do certain things over there. And you can go over to the lighting and set the brightness. You can probably just turn it on and off right there with the little switch. You can head on over to the effects, and you can do quick effects or do more advanced stuff with Chroma Studio. And over here at the bottom, you can even switch the lighting to off and on, and so that can definitely just help out with energy and power saving. And so you can head on over to the mouse, and obviously you can do some things with the mouse. And you have hyper shift, and you have standard, and I guess you can set up different profiles with your devices. You can add and then import, and you can also rename and then duplicate and then export, and so that's pretty cool. You can customize, you can have performance, and so this is where you can set up, I guess, the DPIs of the mouse settings, and do all of that type of stuff. You can head on over to the lighting and do the same thing as the same you were doing with the keyboard. And you could do calibrations, and so you have your profiles, and so you can just head on over, and if you save a certain profile, you can just head on over to this and just select it and just hit go or whatever, and that can be like a quick little shortcut. You can connect I guess certain things like Chroma apps, and so I will definitely have to take a quick look down the line as I try to figure out all of this stuff, because it is quite a lot. And so I guess that's the nice side of having Razer devices, because you can get a lot of things out of the software that comes with it. And so right here, I guess this is what the studio looks like. And so you can do a lot of things under the studio, and you can add certain effects and all of that. Over here, I guess you have your visualizer, and you can select it to always on or enable for certain apps and all of that. And so there is definitely a whole bunch of things you can do with Synapse. And so I am actually really excited to try to go in depth in the near future and try to test out what I can actually do with all of this software. I think I will actually wrap this video up. Microphone batteries. Give me a second here. Alright, we're back. Okay, we're back. Alright, we're back. Yeah. And there we go. Alright, and so that's the end of the video. Obviously, there's a tons of stuff with the Synapse software that I have to take a further look into. It definitely seems like it's a lot, and it's actually useful. And so hopefully in the near future, I can give you guys an update and a more further in-depth review about the keyboard and the mouse and what you can do with it, with the software and all of that. And so hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hit the subscribe button, of course, but also leave a like or a dislike just to let me know if this video helps you out at all. Comment on the comment section down below what you liked or didn't like, if you have this stuff or not, if you like it. All that being said, hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys on another video. Peace. Peace.